this one. We still pull out. Yo, I'm trying to work right now, but I just want to say that I am super happy. I'm super proud. I'm super excited where African music is right now, center stage. The whole world is paying attention. And it gives me great joy, pleasure, and honor to stand here to collect this Lifetime Achievement Award. One love to all my fans, it was amazing.